Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive in a 1965 Pontiac GTO. Now this is not your standard everyday Pontiac GTO here. This one, I guess the word could be custom. Everything, top looks nice. I mean, just looking at it, it's a beautiful car. They even filled in where the windows go. This one is custom. You don't have to worry about running into someone else having the same car as you. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime we do a video. And the purpose of this video is to give you a virtual feel of what the car drives down the road like, sounds like, everything like that, and for you to get a chance to look at it out in the sun. For all additional information, you get to go on over to volocars.com when we get done here. We have a couple hundred pictures, the undercarriage, everything, detailed write-up, all the information we have about it, and then the selling price as well. We have a little grasshopper on the hood there. I'm sure he or she will be gone before you pick it up. All right, shaved door handle, so all you do is just right in here. Easy. Looks like I lost a little bit of change coming on down here. 35 cents does not go with the car. But if you look at the interior, I mean, they spent just as much time in here as they did outside. Even up above here, just getting everything to look great. I think they spent well over 50 hours of work time just on the taping, paint, everything. You're gonna find little tiny flaws here and there if you look real close, but I'm not seeing any big chips, dings, or anything. Let's go on in here. All right, you have your digital dash up here. Looks like a granite steering wheel. Like I said, the interior just looks incredible. All the detail in here, it's just really awesome. You don't get to see this every day. Just gonna start it up. And I work in the shop here. This is the first time myself or any of us are gonna have a chance to take it out on the road, so you and I are experiencing everything firsthand together. If we run into anything needs to get fixed, put it back in the shop, take care of it. I'm gonna start off just getting used to it, and then we're going to open it up later in the video. All right, let's go for a ride. Our steering's real nice. Brakes feel good, not too sensitive, not too soft. That breeze coming through feels nice. Drives nice and straight. This car, I really like the digital dash. It goes with it. I mean, everything else has been changed up so much. Take down a bumpy road here. Not hearing any rattles, clunks, or anything. Feels really solid. Shift every now and then we get cars that come in a little rough and we have to do some transmission work. You'll feel that clunk every time, even the automatic when it shifts. This one real smooth. gets up and goes. I mean, if you want it to be a trailer queen, that's on you, but if you want to drive this around all day, I would not be mad at you either. They definitely put a good chunk of money in this. Already getting thumbs up. That's the thing, going through all the gears really nice and easy. Gosh, this just made me love this car a little bit more than I did before there. Man, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com, see all the pictures, the write-up, and then give our sales department a call. We're selling cars like hotcakes here. As always, I appreciate you.